Stop what you are doing and listen carefully, for this may be the most important truth you have ever heard in your life. Everything you've been taught about hard work, burning the midnight oil, pushing past exhaustion, sacrificing your health and peace for results, is a lie. Yes, a lie. The relentless grind you believe will bring freedom is, in truth, the chains that bind you. You are not meant to toil endlessly. You are meant to awaken, to align, and to act with a force that flows through you, not against you. Many believe that hard work is the gateway to success. Yet the universe whispers a different truth. Labor alone is powerless. Labor without vision is a river without a current, moving endlessly yet going nowhere. Effort misapplied drains the soul and starves the spirit. True achievement is never born of toil alone. It is born of purpose, clarity, and the quiet mastery of your inner self. The person who achieves greatness is not the one who works harder than others. It is the one who works intelligently, whose every action is aligned with a vision so compelling that the universe itself conspires in their favor. When you detach from the outcome, when you release the desperate need to control every result, something miraculous occurs. Doors open, ideas flow, people appear, and opportunities manifest in ways you never imagined. This detachment is not indifference. It is power. It is a profound spiritual strength that allows you to act without fear, to lead without strain, and to create without exhaustion. The world glorifies hustle, yet hustle without strategy is a fool's errand. The energy you expend in blind effort is wasted. But when your mind, your heart, and your soul are in alignment with your purpose, action becomes effortless. What once required struggle now flows naturally. Nature itself does not strain. The sun rises, rivers run, trees grow, all in perfect rhythm without toil. Humanity has forgotten this. We push, we fight, we burn ourselves out, believing hard work alone will bend reality to our will. But it will not. Not until we awaken to alignment, detachment, and purpose. Detach from the fear of results. Detach from the need for validation. Detach from the illusion that mere effort is enough. Strength does not come from exhaustion. It comes from discipline, wisdom, and an unwavering commitment to your vision. When your actions are guided by these principles, success is inevitable. Doors that seemed locked will open. Ideas that seemed unreachable will arrive. People who can help you will gravitate toward your energy. All because you stopped working hard and began working right. Your life is not meant to be a battlefield of endless labor. It is meant to be a masterpiece of aligned action, divine timing, and soulful strategy. Release the chains of blind effort. Step into the power of purpose. Let your work be a reflection of your inner strength, not your desperation. Only then will your results be limitless, and only then will you understand the true meaning of effort, achievement, and fulfillment. Many people labor tirelessly under the illusion that hard work alone guarantees success, yet this is a misconception that drains both the body and the spirit. To work without a clear vision is to row a boat endlessly in a vast ocean, moving constantly yet never reaching a destination. Effort alone, no matter how intense or prolonged, is powerless if it is not directed with purpose and guided by clarity. The individual who dedicates themselves solely to activity often finds themselves exhausted, frustrated, and disillusioned because they are expending energy without understanding the true objective. Labor becomes a treadmill, repetitive and mechanical, and the soul begins to feel the weight of futility. True achievement is not measured by the hours spent or the sweat produced. It is measured by the alignment of effort with a defined vision, by the resonance of action with inner purpose. When a person works without understanding the deeper significance of their efforts, they are essentially serving inertia, not life itself. The mind becomes restless, the heart grows weary, and even the body feels the strain, for all energy moves in cycles that require both focus and direction. Those who attain lasting success understand that effort must be intentional, and action must be deliberate. Every task performed without vision diminishes vitality rather than builds it. The individual who seeks to create something extraordinary first cultivates a clear picture of their desired outcome and then channels energy with precision toward that end. This approach transforms work from a burdensome obligation into a meaningful, almost effortless act that engages the mind, nourishes the soul, and multiplies results in ways that brute labor alone can never achieve. In essence, hard work without vision is not a pathway to freedom, but a spiral into exhaustion. And the only remedy lies in the conscious alignment of effort with purpose. Society has long celebrated the idea of relentless hustle, praising those who burn the candle at both ends and glorifying busyness as a mark of dedication and ambition. Yet beneath this applause lies a subtle deception. Constant activity often conceals confusion, indecision, and a lack of true direction. Many people mistake motion for progress, believing that long hours and endless tasks are the keys to success. In reality, such effort frequently scatters energy, divides attention, and blinds the mind to the most meaningful opportunities. The illusion of hustle masks a deeper truth. Without strategy, determination alone is ineffective. The person who works incessantly but without clear priorities is like a hammer striking at shadows, forceful, visible, yet accomplishing nothing of substance. Real power and influence do not arise from exhaustion or sheer intensity. They emerge from deliberate, focused action that leverages understanding, insight, and timing. When one acts without awareness of the larger pattern, effort becomes reactive rather than creative, responding to circumstances instead of shaping them. Mastery comes not from how long you labor, but from how intelligently you direct your energy toward the goals that truly matter. The individual who cultivates discernment recognizes that success is a result of precision, not just effort, and that a well-aimed arrow strikes its mark more effectively than a barrage of blind shots. Understanding when to act, where to focus, and how to conserve strength for maximum impact is far more valuable than ceaseless motion. Detachment from the notion that hard work alone defines achievement allows a person to step back, observe, and align their actions with purpose. In doing so, effort transforms from scattered energy into concentrated force, and what once seemed like relentless struggle becomes an intelligent, effortless orchestration of results that magnifies influence far beyond the labor of those who toil blindly. True strength and influence do not come from relentless effort or constant struggle. They emerge from the ability to detach emotionally and spiritually from the outcomes of one's actions. Detachment is often misunderstood as indifference, but it is in fact a profound mark of inner mastery. When a person is emotionally and spiritually attached to every result, every success or failure carries weight, and energy becomes tied up in anxiety, fear, or desire. This attachment clouds judgment, diminishes creativity. ND drains vitality. In contrast, detachment allows the individual to act with clarity, confidence, and unwavering focus, free from the turbulence of outcome-driven worry. The person who cultivates this quality does not act recklessly or without care. Rather, they operate from a place of deep alignment with purpose, allowing intuition, wisdom, and higher understanding to guide their decisions. In this state, actions are infused with a magnetic force that attracts opportunity, resources, and cooperation effortlessly. People are drawn to the calm authority of someone who is self-contained, whose energy is steady and unshakable. Detachment does not mean a lack of ambition or drive. It means that ambition is rooted in inner strength rather than external validation. It allows one to navigate challenges with grace, to persevere without desperation, and to innovate without fear of failure. Spiritual and emotional detachment transforms ordinary effort into extraordinary impact because the mind is free to perceive patterns. The heart is free to act with authenticity, and the soul is unburdened by resistance. In this way, the individual who masters detachment discovers that success does not come from straining against life, but from aligning with it, from moving with intelligence and purpose rather than friction, and from harnessing an inner power that multiplies every action into results far greater than mere labor could ever produce. The principle of working smart is not simply a matter of efficiency, it is a profound reflection of how alignment between the mind, heart, and spirit transforms effort into effortless achievement. Nature itself provides the greatest example. Rivers do not struggle to flow, trees do not strain to grow, and the sun does not labor to rise. Everything in creation moves with intelligence and rhythm, yet achieves outcomes of immense power and beauty. When human beings attempt to achieve through brute force alone, without attuning themselves to the natural flow of life, they engage in a form of resistance that leads to frustration, exhaustion, and diminished results. Working smart begins with understanding the patterns that govern life and recognizing that energy is most potent when applied with intention and clarity. It requires the ability to pause, observe, and discern where action will have the greatest impact rather than scattering effort across endless tasks that yield minimal results. Inner alignment ensures that actions are coherent, directed, and resonant with one's purpose, creating a momentum that multiplies effects beyond what raw effort could produce. When thoughts, emotions, and intentions are unified, the individual does not push against life, they move with it, and doors that were once closed open with ease. This is not a passive approach, but a strategic one, where wisdom guides labor and intention directs energy. The person who masters this principle does not confuse busyness with productivity. They recognize that true accomplishment emerges when work is harmonized with vision, when every action reflects understanding rather than compulsion. By integrating inner alignment into action, the individual harnesses the intelligence of the universe itself, allowing results to flow naturally, powerfully, and with minimal friction, transforming ordinary labor into extraordinary creation that serves both personal purpose and higher impact. Purpose-driven action is the force that transforms ordinary effort into unstoppable momentum, for when every step is guided by a clear vision, action becomes effortless yet extraordinarily effective. Many labor under the illusion that results are born from sheer toil, but the truth is that effort without purpose is scattered energy, dissipating without creating lasting impact. The individual who acts with purpose is not measured by how many hours they work, but by the precision, clarity, and intentionality of their actions. Purpose creates a magnetic field around effort, drawing the right opportunities, resources, and people into alignment with one's goals. When one is deeply connected to their vision, each decision, each action, each interaction becomes a deliberate contribution toward that larger aim. There is a rhythm to purpose-driven action, a flow that transcends struggle and exhaustion. It allows the mind to focus, the heart to engage fully, and the spirit to remain undisturbed by doubt or distraction. In this state, obstacles are no longer barriers but signals, guiding adjustments and refinements that strengthen resolve rather than drain it. The person who operates from purpose does not labor blindly. They navigate with insight, responding to life's currents intelligently rather than resisting them. Detachment from the need for immediate results enhances this process, enabling action to be sustained without fear or desperation. Momentum builds naturally because energy is concentrated and intention is clear, and the universe conspires to support consistent, aligned effort. Purpose-driven action is therefore not merely work. It is a state of being in which effort flows in harmony with life itself. It is the difference between struggling against the tide and moving with the current, between scattered motion and focused, unstoppable progress, between ordinary results and extraordinary, achievement that feels effortless yet profoundly powerful. The truth is clear. Hard work alone is not the path to greatness. Struggle without vision, effort without alignment, and toil without purpose only exhausts the body, clouds the mind, and burdens the soul. True power comes when you rise above the illusion that mere labor can bend reality, and instead, embrace clarity, detachment, and purpose-driven action. When your heart, mind, and spirit are aligned, every action becomes intelligent, magnetic, and unstoppable. The universe responds to focus, intention, and inner strength far more than it does to sweat and exhaustion. Release the chains of blind effort. Step into the wisdom of strategic action, into the quiet power of detachment, and into the unstoppable force of purpose. Work not harder, but higher. Work from a place of vision, alignment, and unshakable inner strength, and you will achieve results that effort alone could never reach. Your destiny is not built on struggle. It is awakened through intelligent, purposeful action guided by the power within you. Stand now, detached from the futile grind, and act with the clarity, confidence, and purpose that turns every step into a leap toward extraordinary success.